Hello guys, welcome to my video. Name here is Liam Luans and welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my sister Lauren's stuff and we're here in the field of boat. And this is field of boat. Yeah. Okay. So the thing here, we're gonna build a Beyblade. As said, I already have a arena here, this, and this. Nothing. Yes, I did this, but we're gonna duplicate this so we can okay. Anchor it. Okay. So.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
What you doing today?
By the way, this is my sis.
Who is that? What are you posting?
I just gonna do it. I'm gonna make a Beyblade.
Okay.
Oh.
Did you follow your evil white feet?
Yes. Oh my god. Okay, Beyblade, not arena. Still loading, yes.
Oh, I can see it. What's it? It's really easy to grow. But I didn't yet.
I'm making a Beyblade. Okay.
How to do this though? How to do this?
I'm making a Beyblade though.
How to do that?
Okay.
I want to try.
This.
Go in block.
I made it illusion. Wait, what?
Ow! Oh my god, you hurt me. Why is it not?
There! It's a perfect circle.
What is it?
Don't judge me.
I
Need to make this an anchor.
Is it
There
okay
you
if I
go.
lunch it?
No, don't lunch it.
Please.
I need a butter block because when I do this,
Just stick in the bottom of part.
what do you call that? It will break. So I'm gonna put some butter blocks.
My brother is very good at building.
See? Let's save. Yes.
Why do you even like buildable?
There you go.
Why do you even like buildable?
I'm gonna make this invincible. Collision on. Wait.
Why didn't you go to block?
Okay. Okay. So this is my Beyblade. You can make your Beyblade there.
Why is it
Just
like?
make it there. I'm gonna fight.
Wait, why is it like this like red line here? It looks like weird. These red lines here?
It's a design.
That's even not a design. That's just a shape.
So in a real thing, and
What's the shape? How to make what is it called? Beyblade?
make your own Beyblade.
How to actually make one?
Just make it.
Well, I'm just gonna go try other things anyway.
No. I'm gonna fight.
I'm gonna play other teams. I wanna tell you what it's like then. This is gonna be mega fun.
What I wanna do that. No.
So I'm actually getting it.
Oh no, it's ruined it. Bro, what?
That's what I'm doing. I'm doing it.
Oh wait, I pressed the wrong thing.
I'm gonna do a healing spray at the other place. This is gonna be placed on. Goodbye, Liam. Oh, something's making other things. He's making blue and white things.
And there. There. Oh
He's
wait.
making like bone. And the other side, in the
How
left
do I forget this? It's kind of nice.
Liam!
Yes.
And the last team is making a bone, which should not make any sense. Oh no, this is a terrible plan.
Why?
I remember that in my attack if they on.
Yes.
Wait, so we're
Okay,
not
let me
seeing
get
those.
this a light blue.
We're not seeing those. Did you realize it?
Oh my god, someone is here.
Oh wait, I just saw the indicator.
Okay, I'm gonna make this.
Oh, it's gonna blow. It, yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna cross this. Let me know if you really know Billable.
There. Okay, it's my.
I'm gonna start that. Wait, he's not
Oh
dying!
my god.
He's scared. Wait, what am I shooting?
Good, you know. There you
Please,
go.
I'm scared. This is just a
And
stupid
I'm
idea,
gonna
you know?
save this. Let Arena save. Okay. So I'm gonna.
Wait, I really want to get people live, though.
And
I'm gonna go ruin people live.
this is gonna take so long, guys.
Take a billion time. We can take a billion time.
Select all. Okay.
I'm gonna fly around the map. Where are you gonna find me?
Let's put a rocket there and on this. Oh my god, look at my Beyblade, bro. Okay, what do we do? You don't even have a Beyblade. Tell me in the comments, guys, what should I play next?
Where the heck are you?
Load this?
Well, yay, I can launch now.
No, don't.
Are you? What is this?
Arena?
Who just made this?
Me.
I know, this is just like not related.
Yeah, the arena is gonna glitch me.
It looks like that you didn't made it.
Look at that. Other side.
What is this? What the heck?
That's my Beyblade. First Beyblade.
That's not even a Beyblade.
Don't break things in place because it will crash.
What is this? Wait, is this an obby? Can you make me an obby? I'm so good at obby.
No.
Like a purple obby.
Okay, guys.
Obby. Obby.
It took so long. Look at how much titanium I wasted.
How did
And-
you got negative 10?
And this. Okay, is it
You
done?
have negative 10.
Oh my goodness, it's not done.
You have negative things.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, it's not done.
Oh, why is the other one not left? This is glitching.
Yes, it's a bit. We're gonna
I'm
have
just
to
gonna color
fight.
it.
Okay, it's done. The color is black.
Yeah, color it black.
Oh no!
But there's no glitch. Bro,
Okay, guys.
How can
Break the glitchy. Break it once. There. No. There. No. There. Color it. There.
What?
Oh my god.
I'm not supposed to. What do I do? It's flickering.
Ah. Don't beat it na.
I'm scared. Like, I don't wanna pick this first. So.
Okay, what is it, guys? My arena.
It's ugly.
Oh
It's
my-
glitchy.
Oh,
It's saying what's this?
yeah, no. So
It's like-
we're gonna make it this on top of here. So let's put it in here. And we're gonna make it perfect.
I'm actually gonna make it ugly for you.
There you go. I'm gonna this anchor.
Liam, do you want to set an ugly?
There you go.
I'm gonna play creative mode. I didn't know that.
Put in a 90 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What are you doing?
What the fuck? Was it all connected?
Okay.
Was it all connected?
So you have an analyze thing. Oh, look at what it did. Look at Liam. Look at this another unit here. I'm so sorry. I just break her and literally blocked in her. Oh. Yeah, I was letting broke it out. Oh, he's stuck.
There. I'm connected.
These fake people cannot get in here.
No, it's okay.
That's your friend. Wait, what? Ellen.
Yes.
Wait for a few minutes.
We need more.
Nope.
One,
I'm gonna buy a chest though.
I need a.
I'm gonna buy this.
I'm kinda new but still about.
How would you got these stuff when they're
And I'm gonna put an anchor block. Right. Right there. So do this. Well, let's put this. It will wait.
Wait, I'm gonna go to the Royal House trading hall. Can you just say it?
Wait, we're gonna one give them.
What? I was gonna go to the Royal House.
There you go. Wait, what the?
Second trading house. I need a
Resistance.
new set.
What?
I'm so excited for the new Halloween set.
Okay, there. And
Wait,
boom!
what the heck? I thought I was gonna all be in. I'm so excited.
Oh,
Yay! Okay, it's
it's the
back.
elevator.
No, no, no!
Elevator!
No! This is bad. I need to automate this. Look at there's a button, and this is very easy. Oh, look at it! Look at the elevator. Okay. Look at that! Look at that! I didn't see. Stop!
No, I don't because I have something to make.
Oh my god. Tell me if you're done though. William, tell me if you're done though.
Okay. What the frick? Okay, I'm gonna move it sideways now. Oh no.
I'm gonna do something now.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Can you please say
Mm,
something?
no. 1 and 2. And
The real number is
anchor. Okay. And oh yeah, I forgot it's anchor. Okay. There. Okay. Oh, but it's not enough. Okay. And there. And we're gonna again, like other do it upwards, put on that. Oh wait, this is about oh no. Let's put a block there, that is anchor, and an anchor. Oh no. Should put a
I have a question.
yes.
Do you like the bees? Do you like bees?
Bees?
Yeah.
No.
Then don't use color yellow.
I was joking.
Do you like bee or not?
Maybe not.
Then I use yellow. Why are you using yellow for no reason that you don't even like bees?
There you go, guys. So again, make this an anchor.
Yes, Tyler.
Break that.
Weird.
That. Okay.
Look
Yours
at my
is there.
chubby feet.
Oh no, we need to make it. It's gonna stuck up there. Oh no. Oh, we're not gonna do it again. Why do I always put it in anchor? Okay. Stop connecting. Stop connecting.
Wait, I want to mute.
What? And again, guys, we're gonna put an anchor. Make sure to put an anchor. And boom. So, put another water block. And another that. Like that. And like that. And like that. Okay, so, if I anchor this. An anchor. Oh my god, I'm scared. There it goes. Yes! Anchor. Break, break, break. Okay, so what you do, guys, to make this spin? Maybe you're mind asking how to spin this. She's making a gold grinder. Like, you're wondering, how do I spin this thing? Oh my god. Again, guys, you're wondering how to spin this? So, follow me. I'll put a block here, 1, 2, 3, 6. Or 7, there's any numbers. And put an hinge block like that. And an anchor. Any block of your choice. Wait. Okay, so as I said, put a hinge there and that. Make sure to anchor it or here. So we're gonna scale block or I'm gonna scale this. Put it in 2 so it's like a block. You can put it any 3 by 3, 5 by 5. Then I'm gonna put it 3 by 3. Just like that. Okay guys, my first is ugly. So what to do, guys? You to make a Beyblade, for you need, if you don't have these two, you can buy it in menu, and it's just 120
Why do you
maybe.
need to make
And
the baby?
you need to get these two. If you don't have, you cannot spin your bro.
Leo, it's okay. It's
No,
fine.
don't stop it.
It's better white at the side, okay?
Okay.
It's white at the side.
What the?
Everything nice. Hey.
This thing it will be not connected. There you go. Oh wait, last thing, you need to put a camera in here. Just like that. It would need to be put, or eye. Does eyes work? Or these things, rods.
What are you saying?
And for this how to spin, you need to put it 1, 2, 3.
Okay, after
1, 2,
3.
3.
1,
Okay,
2,
so
3.
wait. Oh, I don't have any because of that. So I don't have any more like red thrusters. You can buy here or you can use this. You want to make it speedy, then you can 2 times maybe. So I'm gonna transfer this and connect there. I'm gonna connect it there. And the camera is connected there. Yes. And the camera should be connected here. Wait. Okay. There you go. So these two should be connected here. Or any you wanna put. So this and this, you can put it here. In the mixer. Okay. So that's all. So you can put here and we're gonna fight. I'm gonna save this first. Okay. Saving it. Save. Yes. Did it took long? Okay. Okay. We're gonna one. Where are you? And I have something to tell you guys. If you wanna prank your the other servers, I know how you can be invincible. So I think I forgot how it. I think is I put that. Yeah. Put that there on your seat. Make sure it's an anchor. You can do this, but you need a skill too, and screwdriver, and you need to put it here like that, and broke this, and if you wanna fly up, you can use. Come here, come here, come here. This is yourself. Okay, come here. This works. Okay, I'm gonna break that. Where are you? Okay.
Yellow.
Okay. So you're here, and what you're gonna do, guys. You need to anchor this block, and you need to hold any keybinds. Me, I'm gonna hold S because it will go straight. So you need to press that. Remember, hold any. You need to run and that. See? I'm there. Where am I now? Where am I now?
Right here. No. Stop moving. You're just right here in my screen. You're just right here. On your screen, you're just right
Yes. So that's how you make your visible. If you wanna know,
there. Where are you just moving on the block?
Like that, and I'm here.
Wait, what?
I just TP.
Wait, oh.
Okay, let's go, let's fight.
Okay, what's
Your
the-
Beyblade is there.
Okay, I kinda hate my Beyblade, you know. Is this by your channel?
No, it's not good, friends. I built that. Don't judge.
I
Okay,
hate it. I don't wanna judge.
so your first to run, so you can this thing. Your right.
Right.
That. Press that first, okay?
Oh, oh.
Okay, wait. Do not press the other one.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna. No, on it, on. Wait, on. Oh, wait.
It's alright.
Wait, off it.
I just did.
Tanker. That. Yes. So, let's go. Press here first. Yes. On. Let it rip. Go. Wait.
What? What?
Oh, there.
Okay, okay.
Oh no, it just. Oh my god, I failed.
Wait, I didn't touch you.
No,
No!
you touched me because my.
Leo!
Wait, I know how to solve this problem. I need to be speedy. So I'm gonna put.
Okay, I'm still gonna go to my
What
activity.
is because it's the sides and
This baby
it's
is
too
pretty cool, but I don't have to control it.
it's too high. to
Really mad.
Drop it. Um, can you get me water, please?
Sure.
Okay, guys. Let me. I think because of the fall damage. Wait, this thing. That's why. Oh my god, it's on. Oh my god. Forgot that. Okay, it's still on to reload. So I'm just gonna be AFK. Okay, wait. Okay, guys, I'm back. Wait, what? Not done? I think it needs more thrusters. Yeah, mine need more thrusters. Okay.
Because I was making milk. Thank you.
What the? Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna unconnect it here. Oh no, it's. Oh, I thought it was that. And this, I'm gonna start. Then there. Okay. I think mine is ready. Okay. Let's see. So, okay, let me test mine. Rerun. Hey, what is anchor? Oh, no, for the count. What the? What the? What is this anchor? Hmm. All anchor. Oh, okay. That. Remind me, guys. Lol. Okay, again, subscribe if this work and like the video. Go. What?
Yeah, make a milk.
Oh my God. Oh no! Oh wait, I
Oh
thought you.
god. Oh god.
Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna save it. Save, okay, 3, whatever. Go, go, go! Because mine is more. Hold up. And let it rip!
No! Okay.
There you go, it works now!
Okay. Let me.
See? So heaviness.
Ah!
Whoa!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my
I'm
god!
gonna die. I'm gonna die. Yeah, I'm loose.
Come on, this is so
Oh no, I lose.
Yay! I won again! There's a new
Okay, again. We're gonna change our thrusters because mine is more heavier. I wish I didn't forget the heavy. Yeah, I should not have put it in heavy. Ah,
one.
okay.
Here's my milk.
I wish. Wait, how much time did we record? 31 minutes. 31 seconds.
31 seconds. Well, how could be in 31 seconds? How that
Oh,
long?
looking at my phone. I know why. It's always because mine is super heavy. Yeah, because I use gold block. Look, when I check this, see, it's 90. I wait, it's 9. The strength of it because it's gold block.
So
If I use this, it's only 1. So it will spin faster. But I need that. We're gonna change the thrusters.
Lego! No! No, don't change my twister.
No, we're gonna change because mine is more heavier.
Get away, get away. No, I don't want
Wait, mine is more heavier.
Wait.
This thing I made is
Wait,
10 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Wait, I'm lagging.
50 plus
Oh.
52.
Why did it work?
No, don't.
No, I want to make it. No, I don't get my twisted now. Why did you even make it gold anyway?
Okay.
Okay, I can't keep it gold.
Okay. So, what the? What did I just put this? Bye.
What the heck is that?
What? Okay.
I'm gonna copy something. I'm gonna copy something and make it edit it. Yeah, I'm gonna copy something and edit it. You want me to copy you to edit it?
There you go. So, we're gonna fix this. Oh no!
Aww. So I'm
I
gonna
already know
go
where it's gonna
to
be.
my avatar.
There we go. Okay. Save
I'm
it.
gonna go get more.
Oh no! I didn't save
Copy
it.
paste it.
Wait, it's already a longer? Oh! Okay, spin yours. Come on!
Wait, I'm gonna
Spin, unspinning. Spinning. Let's. Oh! Wait,
Oh!
oh my god.
Oh
Look at mine! See? You see, it's perfect!
no! You cheater!
I told you. Okay, you're gonna die. What? Yours is spinning? I didn't. Oh, wow. So, this is the end of it, guys.
And make sure to
What?
like.
What the frick? How did I go here?
Make sure to like, guys.
Sasibaka.
Make sure to like and subscribe. And subscribe to me too.
Now, guys, please subscribe and like and share the video and hit that little bell and hit the like button. Yeah. So,
Subscribe to me.
we're gonna send some more videos, guys. So,
Subscribe to
tell me what else. Tell me what else you wanna play. So, and subscribe to my sister Lauren stuff and hit a little bell and like button. So, thank you guys for watching.